In this lecture, we are going to see how to search for a plugin, then how to choose a reliable and the best plugin, then how can we install it to our website. First, to search a plugin, go to Plugins and then click Add New. WordPress will display the featured plugins by default, and you can search a plugin here, or you can see popular plugins or recommended plugins in the respective tabs. We have already installed this WooCommerce plugin, also the Regenerate Thumbnails plugin. That's why you cannot see the Install Now button. Instead, Installed button is getting displayed. In all other plugins, you can see Install Now button. Let's search and install a caching plugin so that your website can load faster. Though WP Super Cache is a very famous and a popular plugin, my choice is something different and it's named Hypercache. Let me search for that in the search plugins box. Type the name and press enter. Now you can see there are two plugins. One is Hypercache and another one is Hypercache Extended. Let's assume that you doesn't know anything about this Hypercache plugin, but your friend or someone over the internet recommended you this name. In such case, how can you decide which one is the authentic plugin? The first one you can see is ratings. This plugin has got 52 ratings and the Hypercache Extended plugin has got 10 ratings only. So with this itself we can decide that this seems authentic. After that, what's the factor with which you can decide is active installs. Rather than just downloads, this active installs show you how many websites have this plugin running currently. This shows 50,000 plus active installs, whereas the Hypercache Extended plugin shows only 4,000 plus active installs. This is the second factor. The third factor is compatibility, which is displayed here. That is, I have installed WordPress 4.4 and it's released just past week, and both of these plugins were uploaded long back than the WordPress 4.4. That is, Hypercache is updated on 4 weeks ago and this Hypercache Extended is updated on March 15. So this is the fourth factor, that is, when is the plugin updated. This shows another authentic character of the plugin. The last factor with which you can see or choose a plugin is developer credibility. This you cannot decide on if you are a beginner or if you are new to WordPress, but with time you can learn this. That is, once you use Hypercache, you will get used to the name Stefano Lisa, and if you come across this name again with some other plugin, then you can trust that this plugin comes from a credible developer and you can use that. So these are the 5 factors with which you can choose a plugin. The first one is ratings, that is number of ratings as well as the star value. The second one is number of active installs. Third one is compatibility. And the fourth one is when is it updated. And the last one is developer credibility. Now we have chosen this Hypercache plugin. Click Install Now button. As usual, WordPress downloads, unpacks and then install this plugin. Once WordPress displays this successfully installed message, click Activate Plugin to activate it. Now we have searched the plugin, then we chose which is the best plugin out there, then we activated it. In the next lecture, let's install some more plugins that are needed for our website.